In today's topic, I'll be continuing with the previous topic which I have recorded for you. That is how choices in life makes your life easy. Moving on, just getting deeper into this topic, it's like whenever we have one choice for our own self, that is actually a no choice. We are in a not also in a dilemma, but we are actually very cornered and we are unable to move forward. It's like do or die situation. In that situation, we are looking for some or the other possibilities, but we are unable to find it. In that situation, it's like this is the only option I have, and my life is stuck or I'm unable to move forward. So this is a situation which is very problematic or very challenging for each one of us. Moving on to the second option, that is when we have two choices, it's like logical thinking. Our logical brain is just coming into the picture and we are getting two extremes, whether it's right or whether it's wrong, or whether this is true or this is false, or this is the thing which you will be doing, and if you are not doing, you will be facing these consequences. So this is only at the two extremes. So whenever we are holding the two extremes also, it is problematic as well as challenging to cope up with this situation. And also if we have two new choices, we are unable to make out that if I go for this, I'll be missing the other option or the other choice. If I am going with this second choice, I'll be missing the first one. So in this situation also, when we are new to some of the event or some of the situation or some of the choices we have to make in any event of life, like when we are not used to that opportunity or that possibility, we are finding it very difficult to cope up. So this is the second option. And when we have more than two choices, we are actually having a lot of flexibility in the sense that we are able to make out things in a good way, where we are not stuck up with only one option, or it's not like two extremes, whether we are either going this and we are missing this, or either vice versa. So when we have three choices, we are actually making a lot of opportunities for oneself, like yes, no, or maybe, or is it like I'll be doing this or I'll be doing this. And also this is one more possibility where I'll be doing this. So this is making your mind to open up and look at the picture, a big picture, not the one thing or one of the specific thing. Like three blind people were went to the zoo, and each one went near to the elephant, and they just by putting their hand, one of them just made out the picture that this is a very tough curtain, something of that sort. The other one just holding the tail thought that this is a very strong rope. Another one just holding one of the leg of the elephant make just make out he has actually given this that this is a very strong pillar. So in this way, they are very limited to one or the other thing, and they are not looking at the bigger picture. So when we are holding a bigger picture, we are involving a lot of opportunities. At the same time, it's not like that we are only getting into the analyzing mode, looking more and more and more opportunities, just wasting our time and also the other resources, but we are considering the time into consideration as well as the opportunity which is in our hand. And at the same time, we are making these choices. And when we are having at least 3 or 4 choices, we are broadening our perspective, we are opening up, and we are looking for the benefits as well as what the results we will be getting. So when we are in this mode of thinking and thought process, it is making our life easy, and it is also helping us to move forward. Similarly, when we are dealing with our children, suppose that a child is giving us 2 choices. So to be smart enough and also to be more flexible and to be in a win-win situation, we are not limiting him or her again with 2 more choices. That is the same one with your own intention, but we are actually adding up one more choice that is making our life easy as well as our child's life easy. So whenever we are in a situation we are stuck, 1 is no choice, actually the 2 is a dilemma or a confusion state, and 3rd is a flexible state where you can have more than 2 options. So this is what is making your life easy and helping you to continue forward and be at par and also having maximum perspective, and this is making life easy. And also a person who is holding maximum options or choices is the one who is leading the event or leading the situation. So this is one more perspective about having choices in life. So I'm sure that this topic of choice selection is making a lot of sense, and when it is making a lot of sense, please do share this video with your loved ones and friends, and also like and also comment uh, uh, which of the content in this topic has helped you. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting regular self-improvement, self-development videos, which will be helping you to move forward, scale your productivity, as well as get the results for your own benefit. So jazakallah khair for watching. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another powerful and helpful video soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.